Okay, so this is our Nerf gun tutorial on the Enforcer, which is a 50 round shooter. It takes 6 batteries to operate this big thing. I'm starting the tutorial. Okay, so we're gonna shoot this thing, but first we gotta set it up. So
Michael,
okay,
Michael, that door.
okay, I know it's the wind, Bubbles. Pay attention, you're on YouTube. Okay, so now we just loaded the bullets, so close the thing, close the cartridge. Make sure it's not, don't slam it down.
Sorry.
Okay, so hold it. Okay, so that's our target. Turn it on, let him hear it. Wait, hold on, make sure it's... Oh no, the wind's knocking over our things. Oh, hold on. Okay, so now we're gonna shoot this. No, the wind's... Okay, hold on.
Okay.
I don't have a clear shot. Oh. Nice.
Dang it.
At least you got the top one.
What? Dang it.
At least you got most of it. I think I put too much water in these, but anyway, this is... Whoa. Whoa.
Ah! Oh, I knocked her.
Reloading the bullets for take number 2. We just loaded the target. Darn it. Or, let me just... Alright, so now we're ready to go here. Close the thing. I think I have it closed, right? Or is it close it? I mean... Close it. Close, make sure it's closed. That, the cartridge. Lock it all the way down. Okay. Hold it. Ready for take number 2. Alright, before the wind knocks it down. You gotta get farther from that. Security, you gotta get farther from that. Are you okay?